Okay, Euro GBP. I don't know how I feel about this one. I know I had this downward move, and then we got out here, so that would have been 4%. We got stopped out here because I would have thought that we're going to keep going down. I don't know why. That would be very stupid, considering the fact that we're overextended like this. This is why I like using fibs, so I can kind of understand where I'm at as far as in the cycle type of thinking. Anyways, we're bouncing off of that. It looks like we're going back the other direction. We broke in the 50 EMA on the 4-hour chart. See this? So we went above it yesterday, and then today, and then we're setting up to, I don't know, do something maybe, perhaps. So this is what Irek calls in the Infinite Prosperity training, a higher high and higher low. So this is a higher low than the previous low, right? And then this is a higher high than the previous highs. So basically he's trying to tell you, look for these signs in the price action to pick whether or not we're changing trend. I think we're changing trend because of that. I also think we're changing trend because of where we're at as far as the overextended level with the 127 and the 141. I don't really see the breakout just yet. I don't see like anything where it's like, all right, I should have got in. Maybe right here. But I don't know if I could have called that one. It's interesting. Could have took a trade off for the 127 here, basically. Just went up and just been hanging out here. My stop loss down here somewhere. That is the trade, really. Yeah. Coulda, woulda, shoulda. Definitely didn't see it the other day. Definitely wasn't looking for it. Like I said, man, you guys know I like those big moves down. I look for those bearish moves down more, to be honest. This I'm going to look for an opportunity to combo this up. So we'll just hang on to this. This could be a trade. I'm not going to say it is a trade, but it could have been a trade. And it looks something like that. Playing off of this 127. You would have bled right in here. See these handful of bars, you would have bled there because you're in right here. So that's how that would have looked. Your stop loss is on the other side of the most extended level, which is super interesting. It's a really safe place to be honest. And it would feel good to be into something like that right now. Just to shape it up and see visually what that looks like, it would be something like this, and we'd be right here right now. That's the stop. So 2% trade right now off of that, and with a ton of room to grow, man. I would a trade this big, I would be looking. So this is a key level right here, which could be interesting. It could pose a threat, but I'd probably be looking to come up to 618. It's a 6% trade. Pretty interesting stuff. Okay. Anyway, CAD/JPY, we closed out 6.15 in profit on 130 here. Because of this, I think. Yeah, probably. And this one's kind of all over the place now. 2, 3, 1, yeah. So I would have been out on all these, which is cool. 6.5. The numbers are there, man. This is crazy. If you can find that discipline. Let's see what's happening on the CAD, CHF. This is dirty as hell too, or messy as hell too. If only you could call this, right? This is from the 30th or 29th and 30th. Okay, so it bounced down, and then we're taking that all the way up. You guys know I was probably going to be trying to be bearish here and take it off of the 618. This thing jumped up though. It really did. Super interesting. We're past 338 now though. So you see this perfect. This is like a beautiful shape, V shape right here. You can't make this stuff up, man. See that? Crazy. I love this pattern. AUD, NZD, I closed out 0.9%. Yeah, okay, I see what happened. So I got out because there really wasn't anywhere to go here. It was just so sideways that I decided to close it out for a, yeah. So it was 1% minus whatever I made here equal negative 0.9, basically. Almost broke even, but didn't, so whatever. I'm not 100% sure what's happening next on this one. Looks like it wants to go down a little bit. Wonder if yeah, there's not enough meat there for me to try to trade that as a pyramid. I don't know. I don't think there's anything here. Yeah, I'm done with that one. CAD. Couple trades looks like. Close that thing out. God, these charts are so freaking messy, man. That's why I don't like trading and shit. It just doesn't even look like it makes sense for me. I try making sense of it, but I just don't prefer these point blank, man. Let's take this down. That would have been 0.68, 0.69. So I could have made that, yeah. And closed it out. That's what I did here. This is closed out. I don't know what I said about these from previous weeks. I probably counted those like earlier. Anyways, interesting stuff. 0.68 for the week. Yeah, that's how we'll do this moving forward. Just make sure you understand what happened in the week, because that's what we're going to be trying to count, and then keeping a tally of the running profit. Actually, you know what? I'll commit to that. I'll commit to doing that moving forward. Just keeping it more organized so that you know exactly where we are in running profit, and also where we are in for the week. So right now we're north of 11%. I know that much. But tomorrow's Friday, so you'll get the full recap tomorrow. All right. Peace.